In this video, I want to talk about the crypto market in general, but also the CEO of Crypto.com has spoken. He actually tweeted again, which I'll get into in a short while. But before I do that, isn't the sentiment absolutely horrid at the moment? Everybody is depressed, bored, fed up. People are capitulating. The crypto tokens, they're walking away. Nothing's happening. We're going into a bear market, and that's it. And just go away and never come back again. And, well, they will do when we start pumping up again, because as sentiment is really... Look, at the end of the day, over the summertime, we always get these lulls all the time, because like I just said, all these big players are on holiday. They're not interested in trading at the moment. But there is such a lot going on in the crypto space. The technical side of it, on the analysis side of it, is absolutely horrid. But in look at the fundamentals in crypto, it's fantastic. What gaming projects are building at the moment. They're getting bigger. And also, we've got with Crypto.com, what they are doing, what other cryptocurrency projects are doing as well, like with Cardano, what they are doing. There's so many good fundamentals out there being built. And also, we've got the elections coming up. We've also got Jerome Powell, which is more likely going to cause a rate cut in the next couple of weeks, which is going to be good for the crypto space because more liquidity will come in. They'll start printing more money, and that is where we move. I still say, gut feeling tells me, come October, September has always been that time where, it's been not exactly great. I did talk about that in yesterday's video, but I won't get into that now. But yeah, it's never been great in September. But that doesn't mean we're not going to get a good September. Tables could turn quite easily. But for me, I'm just walked away and that's it. But we could see here on the bubbles, on the yearly, bonk up still 6,914%. Floki is up 591%. Pepe is up 820%. You can see CRO up 58%. BNB up 139%. Everything is still up. But obviously, the lower we go down on the monthly, it starts to change. And, and weekly, on the daily, but on the hourly, we're getting that small pump to the upside. But we look at the liquidation levels. We've got we've got about 30 million short liquidations to go after, which is on the... which will hit us around about that 58,844 mark. But looking on the 6 months one, we've got over 10 billion short liquidations to go after. And Bitcoin at some point will catch up to those liquidations. The Bitcoin follows where the liquid... And I think when people start coming back, I think that's when we're going to start taking them out. And that's around about 10 million in total when you look at the whole lot. That is massive. And when that happens... that is going to send Bitcoin shooting up. It really is. And it's just going to hold on. But if you look at the CBBI is a Bitcoin index that utilizes advanced real-time analysis of 9 metrics. We're at 60 at the moment, as of today. And we can see here on the historical charts that every time Bitcoin had topped out on the bull market, we've always hit around about 99. Again, 100. And then we got 97. And look where we are now. It's 60. We are absolutely nowhere near coming towards the end of the bull market. And a lot of people are saying the bull market is over. That's it. We're going down. But that is when the tables start to turn. As soon as the sentiment starts getting like that, Bitcoin has a tendency to do completely the opposite of what retail thinking. But don't forget, as retail are selling, Bitcoin whales are buying. Institutions are buying. It's the way it is. And then what will happen is as we start pushing up to the upside, retail start coming back and FOMOing in. But for me, that's when I start selling. So as a retail start pumping everything up more, I start selling. And then it's normally the retail who are FOMOing get caught at the top again. Like every bull market's happened. It all seems to be repeating itself. You just got to be patient. You just got to sit on your hands. That's the hardest job. Sitting on it. When you see your portfolio going down, the hardest bit is sitting on your hands. You do what you need to do. For me, I'm just sitting on my hands. Nothing I say on here is financial advice, by the way. And that, but yeah, overall, looking at the ETFs at the moment, we've had the biggest outflows in August. It's not been great at all, really. But tables turn. We've had the reds, we've had the blues. But obviously, looking at Bitcoin at the moment, we had that big push up, and ever since that, we've just been massively coming down. And now, obviously, we've created this falling wedge now, and this is on the hourly. We're trying to break out of that wedge. We're getting a compression of higher lows and lower lows coming in here, which is actually starting to compress with the falling volume and the falling wedge. I'm expecting some sort of break to the upside. Don't forget, though, in the US today, they're on a bank holiday. So obviously, volume is going to be even less. It's going to be probably like the weekend, really. But obviously, we're trying to push up, trying to bake out, and I'm expecting a breakout to the upside. But like I said, I want us to get back up to that $60,000. Now, if we can get back over $60,000, I can guarantee sentiment will start to change again. It will all start, you'll start seeing on X a lot of bullish sentiment starting to occur. But now let's get quickly into what Crypto.com CEO has been saying at the moment. So just 4 hours ago, Chris from Crypto.com, brilliant leader, absolutely love him. He keeps, he just keeps on building. He doesn't care what FUD happens with Crypto.com. He keeps on building. But 4 hours ago, he's given an update on August of 2024. And he says here, updates here, what the Crypto.com has delivered last month. And we can get into it. Interactive charts, time frame selection makes evaluating your P&Ls easier than ever before. Prime is now open to qualified customers with more than 1 million of deposits. You'll enjoy institutional grade, super low fees, executive margins trading, ultimately fiat transfer, and a dedicated relationship manager, and much more. But for that, you've got to have around about $1 million. And I haven't got $1 million, so I won't be able to do that just yet. So exclusive for Prime customers, we're crafting the new pinnacle for our card. Experience the Prime card. Ultra rare metal card to be announced soon. So that's coming soon. 5% back on eligible spending, 1% on uncapped deposit bonus, luxury concierge, VIP events for the F1, UFC, 76ers, and LA. Then we click on more, and complimentary Crypto.com arena suite bookings. That's not bad. I wish I had $1 million and I'd have that. Derivatives trading now supports take profit stop loss orders. One of the most requested features by the derivatives trades, you can now place your trades with just one click. On the chain staking now supports Phantom Network as well. Kronos Blinks, blockchain links are now live. Discover the swap Kronos tokens directly from your X feed. Exchange traded. Find your open positions. Review your wallet health faster than ever before and revamping the app wallet screen. Highly requested by our advanced institutional clients. Our APAs now allow to easily review free details. Crypto.com turned 8. To celebrate, we created the world's biggest Bitcoin on the world's biggest screen in Las Vegas, and through a huge celebration for our amazing CrowFam community at Crypto.com 8. We announced our hysterical partnership with the UEFA Champions League. Don't forget, that'll go to 3 billion fans worldwide. We also proud to support the ADC Submission Fighting World Champions 2024 with Abu Dhabi Combat Club. Kronos Chain team launches the first layer of the ZK chain, Kronos ZK EVM mainnet to help scale DeFi ecosystem. Because I really think DeFi in crypto will be coming back, and it will be coming back stronger as well. Builders keep building. That's how you become the #1 USD supporting exchange in spot trading volume for the full month of July of 2024. And also, what CEO comes out, DM me with any improvements you want to see next and onwards. And people are bearish on Crypto.com or the Crowcoin or the Kronos ecosystem. You just need to read all this thread, which the CEO, and what CEO tells you to DM him directly if you want to see any improvement. You don't get many CEOs doing that. And like I said, all of this building, like we've got the F1s, the UFCs as well, all building, and you have to be bearish on Crypto.com. I can't be bearish. When it came down to the bear market and the sentiment was so low for Crypto.com, I was buying more CRO. And at some point, CRO will make its moves. Over these, but from the bear market, we had that pump. We're up about 58% at the moment. But I really do feel everything that they are doing, once everybody is back from the summer holidays, once the retail starts coming back even more, I can see CRO get into that $2. No problem at all. It will happen. And when you start seeing people not believing it and they start selling the CRO, that is the time when you'll start to see CRO move. And I'm not guaranteed anything. We could have a black swan event at any point in time, and we could just go forward in the bear market. But everything is facing that we're not going into that bear market. Ignore the fudders. Get out there. Enjoy yourself. Research as well. Use these times when actually everything is horrid, when everything is quiet, there's not much action going on in crypto space. Do your research. That's what I do. I sit down and I will research all the tokens that I have. I will research it, see what's new is being built. Crypto.com is just a no-brainer. CRO, for me, is a no-brainer. I hold an ICY, and I hold a lot of CRO. So some people will say, well, you're biased. No, I'm not biased. I've just done my own research. I know when I invested when it was like about $40 in NVIDIA. $40 I started to buy NVIDIA when it was low. And look where NVIDIA is now. And I still hold that. That's a 10-year hold for me. And I hold Tesla as well. I hold Amazon, and I've bought them in low prices when we had the crash of the COVID. I bought it and I hold it. That's my long-term holds in the stock market. And I've done the same research on Crypto.com. And my research so far has not failed me. And that's why I say to people, yeah, it's not very exciting sometimes, but it can be exciting doing the research, looking into new projects and seeing what they're building. It gives you a feel of accomplishment, what I feel. And that's why I've done with Crypto.com. I've just done my research. What happens in the future? Everything's a gamble. You've got to look at life as a gamble. Everything you do, getting a new job, starting up your own business, investing in properties, investing in the stock market, investing in crypto, it's all a risk. And you've got to know where your risk tolerance is. Simple as that. And that's how I've been doing well in business. And my investments and my properties that I own, I've done my research until I feel comfortable. I've done my when you go for a loan, all the banks will do checks on you to make sure as you as the user have got no money issues or anything like that. I do the same with crypto, with projects, with the stock markets. I'll just do my research to see if I feel comfortable enough to buy in. And with CRO, I have bought in, and I have every confidence that we're going to go back to all-time high, and I have every confidence that we're going to go beyond that as well. So I hope this video has been useful to you. So give us a like and give us a subscribe. It's always much appreciated. All your support is much appreciated too. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.